So Black Friday doesn't even start until next Friday, but the deals are already happening, especially in the smartphone industry, because starting yesterday, the OnePlus 7 Pro went on sale here in North America. Essentially in Canada, this phone costs $939 or one kidney. Now you can pick it up for 0.7 kidneys. That is a $200 price drop compared to the original price. The 7 Pro in the United States dropped $150 and now costs $549, which is cheaper than the OnePlus 7T. Now, if you want to pick up this deal, links will be in the description down below, but if you're now unsure which device to get, let me help you with that. Now, the 7 Pro is a bigger smartphone. You're getting a 6.67-inch display, it's QHD, and it happens to be more color accurate than the 7T. However, the 7T does get brighter outdoors. On top of that, the 7T does feel more comfortable to hold in the hand because it doesn't have the sloped display, but the design of the 7 Pro just looks a lot nicer. You have this bezel-less display, which looks absolutely gorgeous, and you have the key characteristic, which is the pop-up camera that you can take to parties and show off to all of your friends. Now, the one thing I don't like about the 7T is the camera layout. Like, it's a circle, it's big, it sticks out. I imagine breaking this will be a lot easier than the nicer vertical display on the 7 Pro. The camera setup is the same, like you're getting the same lens setup. The only difference between both of these devices is that the 7 Pro can do 3 times zoom as opposed to 2 times on the 7T. Now, I've dunked both of these phones in water, and the 7T completely failed my water test, whereas the 7 Pro passed it with flying colors. Specs on both of these devices are fairly similar, but you do get the faster Snapdragon 855 Plus on the 7T. But to be quite honest, I can't really tell the difference in day-to-day use. OnePlus does a good job of optimizing their software, and both of these phones feel plenty fast. Now, battery life is pretty equal, but it's slightly better on the 7 Pro. Like, I'm getting about 40 to 45 minutes more of screen on time compared to the 7T. But with the 7T, you do get the slightly better fast charging technology. And the last thing I want to mention is the storage options. You do get more with the 7 Pro, whereas the 7T, you're kind of limited. Anyways, that wraps up the comparison. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a public service announcement of this awesome deal. If you want to check it out, links will be in the description down below. And if you have any questions about these devices, hit me up in the comments or jump on my Discord server. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.